Hello student, another new topic, naming of cyanide. The functional group of cyanide is C triple bond N. Now the valency of carbon is, there is a 3 and 1. The valency of nitrogen is 3. Now this Cn is also right, CN. This is the functional group of cyanide and the suffix of cyanide is nitrile. Okay. Now suppose you have only one functional group, so we apply only suffix, not prefix. Okay. So now here we discuss only for suffix. So now there is a 2 carbon, so there is a functional group, so 1 2. So there is 1 2. So 2 means what? There is a 2 carbon means ethane. Ethane, and now there is E not replaced by, because of ethane there is a nitrile. So you know very well A E I O U Y. So no N is there, it means you write ethane full. Okay. Now suppose you have 3 carbon, it means there is a propane nitrile. Clear all of you? Okay. Now suppose there is a this type of structure, 1 2 3 4 then 5. Yeah. So there is a 3. In 3 there is a methyl group, 3 methyl, and how many carbon in the long chain? Pent, and the second position is double bond, it means ene. Yeah. And pent ene what? This one position is nitrile, the one nitrile. Clear all of you? Now in the next structure there is a functional group, to the counting from that side. 1 2 2 is contained, there is a substituent, it means what? 2 cyclo what? Butyl. Yeah, 2 cyclobutyl. There is a 2 carbon, the main chain, ethane nitrile. Clear? Now the next example is very important. Now there is Cn is directly attached with ring. Okay, now first you write cyclo. Now how many carbon in the ring? 5 carbon, it means cyclopentane. And directly attached with Cn, the name is carbonitrile. Carbonitrile, because the Cn group is directly attached with ring. Okay. Now in the next example, there is a functional group, to 1 2 3 4. In the second position there is a methyl group. Yeah. And the 3 contain cyclobutyl. So first you consider alphabetically arrangement. So now there is a 3 cyclobut. Now 1 dash 2 dash. Yeah. So there is a 2 dash enyl. Yeah. Clear? Bracket close. Then after contain methyl group, 2 methyl. And how many carbon in main chain? There is a 4 carbon, it means butane. Yeah, clear? Butane. And the position of carbon is functional group 1 nitrile. Yeah, butane nitrile. Yeah, clear? 100% clear? Okay. Now the next structure is also important. Cn is directly attached with ring. Yeah, the first you consider this side. Yeah. 1 2 or what? Functional group is there, na? So this is the main chain. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. The counting from that side. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, because the functional group is there, na? That means this is the main carbon. So the first is 3-cyclopropyl. Yeah, alphabetically arrangement. First C, na? Then 2-ethinyl. There is E and there is C. Okay. Then after, in the position of 2 and 4 is a double bond. Yeah. So in the position of 2 and 4 there is a double bond. It means diene. And CN is directly attached with ring. It means what? Cyclo 2,4 cyclodiene. Yeah. 2,4. Just you write 2,4 cyclohex, just you write ethinyl. After that cyclohex 2,4 diene carbonitrile. Okay, clear? 3-cyclopropyl, yeah, 2-ethinyl, and then after there's a ring contains 2 double bond. So cyclo, there's a hexane, there's a double bond, it means cyclohex, and the position of double bond 2 and 4, 2,4 diene, and the CN is directly attached with ring, it means carbonitrile. In the next structure is also important. Just you count from this side. Yeah, this is the same for CHO, COOS, CONS2, COO, C2H5. So just you write propane 1, 2, 3 tri, and there is carbonitrile. This is very simple as CHO group, COOH group. Okay, and now the next topic, my next topic in the next lecture is amine. Okay, all of you. Thank you.